Hey guys, Shannon, and I'm gonna show you. It's like raining really hard. Look. So it's really dark. But yeah, it's like raining really. You can hear it. It's raining really bad. It's like 9 o'clock at night. See, like you can see the reflection. Oh my gosh. But yeah, like all down there, there's water all in the street. We have a flood warning, and it's horrible. It's just, oh my gosh, it is so unreal. There's a car. Oh, that's my neighbor. But yeah, it's just like, oh my goodness. It is horrible. Here, I'm going to show you out. And there's lightning. Here, I'm going to show you outside, downstairs. Well, Mom, watch for Daddy while you're in there. I will. You outside on me. Change your shirt? No, I took off my hoodie. Oh my gosh. Look though. Banana! Oh, look! It's Abby everywhere! But yeah, look, it's just... You can hear it. Oh my goodness! Okay, well there you hear it. Yeah, my kitty is soaking wet and it's just all... Goodness. It's so horrible. But yeah, that's about it. Come on, Abby. We're gonna go outside. We're gonna go out the front. Come on, Abby. Okay. Good, Abby. Banana. Goodness. Look at it now, guys. It's horrible. Do you see it? Do you see this? Kind of scared to be outside now. But yeah, it's just horrible. I know you can't see it that well, but it's just... You guys saw the sky light up just a minute ago? Just, oh my gosh. It is horrible. But yeah, you can't hear me that well, but it's about 9 o'clock at night. I have to watch the Jonas Brothers on Jay Leno. See? That's how bad it is. So I'm going to go inside because I'm freaking out. So love you guys. Hope I make it through this. Bye. I'm going to upload this tonight. So yeah.